गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बोफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यान श्लोक। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Last week we learned the verses from Brahmakita Janani. So we are done with that. We'll go to Purushartha Prada Purna. पुरुषार्थप्रदा पूर्णा भोगिनी भुवनेश्वरी अम्बिकानादिनिधना हरिब्रह्मेन्द्रसेविता नारायणी नादरूपा नामरूपविवर्जिता ह्रीङ्कारी ह्रीमती हृद्या हेयोपादेयवर्जिता. Any questions in the verses we learned? No, we understood that she is the one, Amma is the one who is giving us all the phala, Purushartha Prada, for all the actions that we do, everything. She is the one who is giving and she is the enjoyer. How she is enjoying as Bhogini? By giving and fulfilling all our desires, she is the Bhogini. She is complete in every way, and that's why she is fulfilling all our desires, being the Bhuvaneshwari of all the Bhuvanas, 14 Bhuvanas, lokas that are there. She is the controller and having highest energy with which she is fulfilling everybody's desires and making everybody, all of us, happy. And she doesn't have heya and upadeya, this is good, this is wrong. Whatever everybody is desiring, and based on their eligibility, Amma just keeps giving, giving. Like the sun, it's always with compassion, out of compassion, she always gives us. She's Hrinkari, very humble, and Hrimati, she has the highest intelligence with which she does the right thing for us. Whatever is right for us, based on our actions, everything is being given to us. She is the Narayani, Nada Rupa, sound form, but she is also formless, Nama Rupa Vivarjita. She is all the forms and also formless. And she is our mother, Ambika, Anadi Nidhana. She is eternal, no beginning, no end. And everybody are worshipping her. Hari, Brahma, Indra, everybody are worshipping. Okay, let us do the new verses today, if no questions. Who would like to volunteer? Chant with me. Who wants to join with me? Nobody? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, aunty.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Does Sriharsh or anybody? Sriharsh wants to join? Praharsh?
శ్లోకాలు రీడ్ చేయాలండి.
నా తర్వాత యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిపీట్ చేయాలంతే.
ఆంటీ చెప్తారు, రిపీట్ చేస్తావా? 2 times రిపీట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే.
Okay, let's just try. First time you are joining, right? Okay.
2 times.
Don't worry, you just repeat whatever I say. Raja Raja.
రాజ రాజ.
నువ్వు కూడా 2 times చెప్పు. రాజ రాజ. శ్రీహర్ష నువ్వే. రాజ నువ్వు చెప్పు బంగారం. రాజ రాజ.
రాజ రాజ.
అర్చిత.
చెప్పు.
అర్చిత.
2 times.
అర్చిత. అర్చిత.
గట్టిగా.
అర్చిత.
Yeah, that's okay. Raja Rajarchita.
రాజ రాజ. Rajni.
No, just say whatever I say, okay?
రాజార్చిత. రాజ రాజార్చిత. చెప్పు.
రాజ రాజ అర్చిత. రాజ రాజార్చిత.
Ragni.
Rajni.
Yeah, you're good, Nana. Yes, just continue. You're doing very good. Ramya.
Ramya. Ramya.
Rajiva.
Rajiva. Rajiva.
Lochana.
Lochana. Lochana.
Rajiva Lochana.
Rajiva Lochana.
Ramya.
Ramya.
Rajiva Lochana.
Rajiva Lochana.
Ramya Rajiva Lochana.
Ramya Rajiva Lochana. Ramya Rajiva Lochana.
Raja Rajarchita Ragni.
Raja Rajarchita Ragni. Raja Rajarchita Ragni.
Ramya Rajiva Lochana.
Ramya Rajiva Lochana. Ramya Rajiva Lochana.
Ranjani.
Ranjani.
Once more.
Ranjani. Ranjani.
Ramani.
Ramani. Ramani.
Rasya.
Rasya. Rasya.
Ranjani Ramani Rasya.
Ranjani Ramani Rasya.
మళ్ళీ 2 times.
Ranjani Ramani Rasya.
Ranat.
Ranjani Ramani Rasya.
Ranat.
Pranat.
Ranat. Ranat.
Pranat
Kinkini.
Kinkini me.
2 times.
Kinkini.
Mekhala.
Mekhala. 2 times. Mekhala.
Good. Ranat Kinkini Mekhala.
Ranat Kinkini Mekhala. Ranat Kinkini Mekhala. Ranat Kinkini Mekhala.
Good. Ranjani Ramani Rasya.
Ranjani Ramani Rasya. Ranjani Ramani Rasya.
Ranat Kinkini Mekhala.
Ranat Kinkini Mekhala. Ranat Kinkini Mekhala.
Very good. Okay, so what these verses are saying is Raja means king. Raja Raja Archita. Now please mute. Sriharsh, please mute on your side. Everybody mute so we can hear properly. Yeah, thank you. So now Raja Raja Archita. So kings of kings are Archita means worshipping. So kings are worshipping Amma, and the king of kings Lord Kubera is said to be king of kings, because everybody, all kings, we all desire, right? What we all basically desire? Everybody wants energy. Only then we can perform well in any of our actions. So Rajaraja is Kubera, and everybody wants money. Lord of wealth is Kubera, right? So Kubera is worshipped. Now we had seen earlier Manu Vidya, Manu worshipped Amma. Then Chandra Vidya, Chandra, the moon, Lord Moon worshipped Amma. Then we understood how sun, we understood about Bhanu Mandala, all the sun's energy, that Vidya. So everybody are praying Amma. Now it is Kubera. He is also worshipping Amma, because Lord Kubera gives wealth to everybody. But for him, from where will he get? He will get from the treasure Amma only. So the highest energy, the Parashakti alone can give energy to everybody. So now Kubera is worshipping. Also, Rajaraja is the highest king. And that ultimate king is referred to also Lord Shiva. Because he is the source of everything. From him, energy manifests. So Amma is always connected to Shiva. And that's why she is Ragni. She is empress. She is the highest. So queen is Rani. Ragni means she is the empress of everybody. And she is Ramya. Ramya means that which makes us very happy. So Ramya actually means beautiful. She is most beautiful. But what is actually beautiful? That thing which makes us happy is the beautiful thing. Right? Imagine a person not so good looking, but so kind and compassionate, loving. We all like her. But if the same person, though beautiful, she's always screaming, shouting, do this, do that, always pointing her mistakes. If like that annoying, then we won't like, right? Though she is beautiful, we won't like that. So the one who is making us happy, okay, you want this? Okay, you take this. And everything, whatever we want is happening. She takes care, whatever we need, whenever we need. So that we feel very happy and beautiful. That one is the most beautiful thing for us. And we want more and more of it. Correct? So that is Ramya. Amma is Ramya, who makes us happy all the time. And she is Rajiva Lochana. So Raja means again king, Rajiva Lochana. Rajiva is also considered as the deer, then fishes. Amma, we saw right earlier, Amma's eyes are like fishes, who is always watchful. She's always watching us and protecting us. Just with her mere look, we are protected. That kind of eyes she has. Rajiva also means the lotus eyed. So like a lotus, how it blooms. So always expansion is happening, contraction is happening. So with her mere looks, the creation is continuously happening. So it is Amma's eyes are like Rajiva Lochana. Then she is Ranjani. Ranjani means she is all the time making us happy, entertaining us. Manoranjan we say, right? She's making us happy by giving everything to us. So everybody has their own wishes and likes based on their interests. Somebody may like reading books. Somebody may like chanting all the time or listening to Amma's words, her leelas, her stories. Or somebody may like eating simply cakes or something. Anything it can be. So everybody is made happy. So she is making us happy in our own way. So nobody she will say, no, you cannot. Somebody may like just watching TV also, but they are enjoying that. So Amma makes everybody happy. But the highest happiness is what? When we are connected to ourselves. When we are really connected to divine, the real Amma within us. Sriharsh, please mute on your side. Yeah, so that is the ultimate happiness that we all enjoy. That is the Ramani. And we enjoy it, Amma being the rasya, the essence of everything. She is the one in everything. Like rasam. Rasam means the essence. If a fruit has juice in it, so the juice is what we enjoy, right? In the fruit, whatever we enjoy, because we enjoy it because it has the rasam, taste out of it. So like that, any object we enjoy in this world, it has the essence of enjoyment is Amma herself. So because she is the essence in everything, she is the object of enjoyment and the one who is enjoying. If we are enjoying, she is the one actually the enjoyer. So the object of enjoying, the enjoyer. Everything is Amma. We saw, right? Dhyana, Dhyatra, Dhyeya, Rupa. So all the three aspects. The world we are enjoying and the one who is enjoying. The subject, object and the process of enjoyment. Everything is Amma. So she is that Rasya, the enjoyer. The Rasya. And she is how Ranat Kinkini Mekhala. Mekhala means she is wearing a belt. Like we say in Telugu or Sanskritam, Odyanam. She is wearing the Mekhala. How is that Mekhala? It is Ranat Kinkini. Ranat means it is making sound. And Kinkini are small bells it is having. Like we have on the anklets, small bells we have, right? So they are the kinkinis. So Amma's waist belt is having all these sounding kinkinis, bells, and they are making sound, they are moving. So which means all the time Amma is in action. She is making us do things and she is doing things for us. Kinkini also means Ranat Kinkini, the sounds, right? So the universe said to be originated from sound. Like in science also we see the Big Bang theory. So from sound only everything came. So the sound takes form. So everything we see takes form. The sound manifests as form. So similarly, we can connect the sound to mantras. All these auspicious things, whatever we want, we are getting because of various energies of Amma. One energy is manifested as so many other energies, right? So many mantras we have, right? We have so many letters. So the combination of different letters in Sanskrit, all the combination of letters gives rise to different mantras. And each mantra has a form of deity. If Rama mantra will have some Rama mantra, his form will be there. If it is Shiva, Shiva mantram, Shiva yantram, and the form. Like that, every deity, every energy has sound, form, and its energy aspect. How they help us, right? So many energies are all under her control. Amma is the main source. Like the source, we saw the area of Nabhi. It is so, Nabhi means the umbilical cord, which is so important. Even in our body, for our body to function well, that umbilical cord place is most important. All the control is there. And all the other energies function well if that area is healthy. So Amma, the source of everything, of every energy, she has control on everything, the whole creation, all the energies that are being played and activity happening in the universe. Okay, so she is wearing that sounding waist belt, which are all continuously movement. Always this change is happening in this universe continuously, right? Yesterday is not the same like today. It keeps on changing. The day passes. It's continuous movement. Energy means change. So Amma is being worshipped by everybody, the King of Kings, Raja Raja Archita, Ragni, she is the empress. Ramya, the most beautiful one, with Rajiva Lochana, out of her compassion and always with alertness, taking care of all of us. Through her, so many energies that are under her control. She's making us happy, right? And the ultimate happiness is connecting to her directly. Just having connection to her, with her itself is a big blessing for us. She is the Rasya, the enjoyer and the enjoyed. Okay, any questions?
No, auntie.
No? Okay,
No, auntie.
okay, fine. We'll go to the next verse. Who is ready? Some other kid.
I can go, auntie.
Okay, Surya. Rama,
Rama, Rama,
Rakendu,
Rakendu, Rakendu,
Rama, Rakendu,
Rama, Rakendu, Rama, Rakendu,
Vadana,
Badana, Badana,
Rama, Rakendu, Vadana,
Rama, Rakendu, Vadana, Rama, Rakendu, Vadana,
Rati Rupa,
Rati Rupa, Rati Rupa,
Rati Priya,
Rati Priya, Rati Priya,
Rati Rupa, Rati Priya,
Rati Rupa, Rati Priya, Rati Rupa, Rati Priya,
Rakshakari,
Raksha Kari, Raksha Kari,
Rakshasagni,
Rakshasagni, Rakshasagni,
Rama,
Rama, Rama,
Ramanalampata,
Ramanalampata, Ramanalampata,
Rama, Ramanalampata,
Rama, Ramanalampata, Rama, Ramanalampata,
Rakshakari, Rakshasagni,
Raksha Kari, Rakshasagni, Raksha Kari, Rakshasagni,
Rama, Ramanalampata.
Rama, Ramanalampata, Rama, Ramanalampata.
So, what it is saying, all these verses are from the beginning, from Raja Raja Achita till here, it's all sounding of R, Ra, 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 right? Ra is the bija of Agni bija, they say, the fire, the knowledge. So, Amma is Rama. Rama means goddess Lakshmi. She is Rama. Goddess Lakshmi is referred to as Rama. She is the Shri that everybody wants. So many different kinds of Lakshmis. Lakshmi, not just wealth, but all kinds that we desire. That is Rama. Rakendu Vadana. Raka Indu means full moon. Indu means moon and Raka means full moon. She is like full moon, filled with energy. And because of Vadana means face. So Amma's face is like the full moon because she is complete. She is filled with the energy. She is full of energy, and that is why she can give us, like Rama. She is the Shri and gives us everything. She is Rati Rupa. Rati means, who is Rati?
Kama's wife. Kama's
Yes.
wife.
Yes, Kama's wife that we saw in our story. But Rati means basically our affection, our liking to a particular thing. Like everybody has affection to different things, like we saw, right? Somebody likes games, somebody likes praying, somebody likes something else. But that affection towards a particular thing is Rati. And Amma is the form of that affection. If I have affection towards Amma herself, that itself is form of Amma. That affection itself is because of Amma, is her form. If we are liking something, it is Amma's form that is making me like it, right? And Amma likes that. Rati Priya, Amma likes that affection. So that affection towards the divinity, the affection towards our own self is most dear to Amma. She is Rati Priya. See, in the story what it was, she's liking Rati. She wanted her husband back because she likes her husband so much. Because Manmata got burnt there, then Rati Devi, she then surrenders to Amma only. She says to Parvati Devi that, see Amma, everybody are happy, all gods, everybody got their desire fulfilled. But then I am only left with no husband now. Only Amma can help. So then when Rati Devi prayed, then Amma thought, yes, she likes her husband so much. And so Amma blesses her. Okay, your husband will be with you and I will make that possible. Only you can see him. You can connect to him. His form will not be seen by anybody, but he will be with you. So Amma brings Kama back to life, and only Rati Devi can see. So she likes that affection, Rati Priya. Right? Our affection towards Amma, the affection towards our own self is most dear to Amma. Rati Priya. And the affection that we are having towards the Lord or Amma, whatever we say, that itself is form of Amma. The liking, the affection we have, if we feel like praying to God, praying, chanting, any God it can be, that itself is form of Amma. And Amma likes that. She is full moon because she is said to be Shodashi. The full moon is called Shodashi, because of which she gives us everything. And she is Rakshakari. All the time she protects us. She doesn't allow any distractions, disturbances, all the Rakshasas that trouble us, who makes us get away from, disturbed from our path. If we are connected to Amma or divine, and some unwanted thoughts keep on coming, some disturbances happening, some unwanted situations which distract us. So at that time only something will come. So all those distractions Amma removes. So she continuously protects us and makes us do and get closer and closer to her. So she is Rakshakari, Rakshasagni, and Rama, Ramana Lampata. So she is that Rama who gives us the ultimate bliss and happiness. Rama means the beautiful one. And she is the one who gives us the highest happiness. That's why she is Rama and Ramana Lampata. So always connected to the divine, always connected to herself. Ramana Lampata, always the activity, she's always continuously engaged with our self. Right? That is Lampata, Ramana Lampata. We say, right, Radha Ramana. So they're always together, always connected. Shiva Shakti. They are always connected. They are always engaged. So when our thoughts are constantly connected to ourself, the divine within us, that is Ramana Lampata. Always connected, engaged with the divine. I think the time is getting over. Let us repeat the verses, okay? Together once. Raja Rajarchita Ragni Ramya Rajivalochana Ranjani Ramani Rasya Ranat Kinkini Mekhala Rama Rakendu Vadana Ratirupa Ratipriya Rakshakari Rakshasagni Rama Ramana-lampata. Okay, good. Let us do the final prayer. Om We'll do from Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani
पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम्. Okay,
Thank you, Auntie.
welcome.
Thank you, Auntie. Om Namah Shivaya.